Case study assignment for ARTX 310, Fashion Merchandising Mathematics, small buy case study, the price of fashion. Your vendor for this assignment will be a wholesaler by the name of Tasha Apparel, which is located out of Los Angeles. So for your vendor buy, you will be using the provided link in the assignment. So you'll click on the link and it will take you to the latest collection from their new catalog to complete this assignment. You are a buyer for the online boutique called the Styling Closet. Your target customer for this assignment is a woman, a young woman, single with no children. These age will be assigned in each of your assignments. Just keep in mind this woman is a fashion leader. She enjoys unique and trendy styles at an affordable price. Your assignment is divided into 5 parts. So part 1 is the assortment. In your Excel sheet, you want to rename sheet 1 to My Buy, and you want to color code this tab in yellow. From the Tasha Apparel website, you want to choose 10 items that you would love to buy for your Styling Closet online boutique. So the first spreadsheet is like a line sheet or a buy sheet. So the first column, you want to copy and paste an image of your garment. The second column is your style number. The style number is assigned to you in your buying project. You only should use the style numbers given. Each style number has a quantity units that will be used for that buy. So once again, only use the style numbers given in the assignment with the quantity units given in the assignment. From the Tasha Apparel website, you want to use their garment description. So for example, if I want to buy this item from the Tasha Apparel online website, I will use their description, which is a junior plus white polka dot pencil skirt dress. The item, I'm just going to use a fictional unit price, is $65. You will get the unit price from Tasha Apparel. So look very closely under each image. You should see unit price. Only use the unit price, not the bulk rate. So once again, for the 10 items, you want to create a buy sheet, and that will be part 1, assortment of your assignment. Next, move to part 2 of your assignment, which is your cost of goods sold. This will be in a second sheet. So read your assignment carefully to see how to color code and to rename your sheet for cost of goods. So next you're going to create a spreadsheet that's going to show the complete purchase order or bill cost of the goods that you bought from your Tasha Apparel wholesaler. So you want to use the style numbers which are given. Again, use the quantity units that are given. The pricing, the unit cost will come from Tasha Apparel, and you will now price your merchandise using the markup percent given in the assignment. So for example, if your markup was 52.5% and the unit cost or wholesale cost of your garment was, let's just say, $65, then using the pricing formula, your retail price for this garment would sell for $136.84, but we are going to use the 99-cent pricing strategy for your assignment. So you would simply create a final retail price category column, and you would reprice for final sale at $136.99, and you will do that for all of your 10 garments that you purchase from the wholesaler. This is the final part of part 2, which would also go into sheet 2 with your cost of goods. This is your 6-week sale. So now your merchandise is selling on the Styling Closet website and your sales results are coming in. So you have sales for 6 weeks, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, and week 6. So now we want to calculate the gross sales based on the final retail price. How well is your merchandise selling for a total 6-week period? Now move into part 3, which will be your markdowns. And this will be in sheet 3 of your Excel spreadsheet. So you will rename this Markdown and then you will color code this tab in red. So for this part of your assignment, one of your styles is not selling well. So as with any buyer, to stimulate sales, you are going to create a markdown strategy. So read your assignment carefully, and number 1, using the markdowns given in your assignment, you're going to determine the markdown in dollars for the one style that is not selling. Please review Chapter 2, Repricing, to familiarize yourself with markdown strategies again. And the next part is going to be your markdown percent. So you're going to now, using the markdown in dollars and net sales for the style, you're going to determine what markdown percent you achieved on this markdown for the one style that's not selling. Now we move into part 4 of your buy assignment. For this part of the scenario, you have 3 styles that are selling really well. In fact, they sold out on the Styling Closet website, which is very good news. So in sheet 4 of your Excel spreadsheet, you want to rename this Reorder, and you want to color code this section in green. And here in this section, you want to calculate reorder. So for the 3 styles that sold out, you want to order more. This time you're going to order slightly more units, 3 dozen, 4 dozen, and 5 dozen. And you also want to go up on the retail price in this section. You want to go up on the price by $5. So this is something that's done when a style is selling really well and customers are buying it at the original retail price. All right, so from your reorder units with your new retail pricing, you want to calculate your CMU percent achieved on the reorder. So from this section, you want to review Chapter 2, CMU percent, and create a spreadsheet that shows the markup percent on the reorder. Now, the final part is part 5, which is your profit. So in sheet 5 of this assignment, you want to rename this tab Profit and color code this in orange. And here you want to create a P&L statement which shows whether or not you were profitable with the 10 items that you added to your Styling Closet assortment. So the gross sales will come from part 2 of the assignment. I have given you the customer returns percent. The cost of goods was calculated by you also in part 2, and I have given you expenses to consider for the boutique. So again, here you want to create a P&L statement. So review Chapter 1 on the P&L. You want to create this in dollars and percentage. Now that your assignment is completed, you want to submit all of your work to Canvas for grading. Make sure that you are submitting your work as an Excel document only. And remember, all work must be submitted to Canvas for grading. No part of the assignment will be accepted via email. If you have any questions about the assignment, please don't hesitate to email or place your questions in the questions for the professor section on Canvas, and I will get back to you as soon as possible with the solution. Also remember, I cannot help you with the actual formulas. You will be responsible for researching the correct formulas to use using the textbook and the lecture notes. All right, good luck, and I look forward to seeing your finished work.